In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Office file formats in OneDrive. If you want your Word, Excel, or PowerPoint files to save in a specific format by default, OneDrive makes that process very simple. This can be useful if you regularly work with people using different versions of Microsoft Office, or if you need your files to stay compatible with certain systems or workflows. I'll walk you through exactly where to find the setting and how to update it. To begin, go to OneDrive and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. Once you're on the main OneDrive page, look toward the top right corner of the screen. This is where you'll usually find account options and general settings for your OneDrive experience. Next, click on Settings at the top right. When you open this menu, you'll see different options related to how OneDrive works and how your files are handled. Take a moment to look through the list if needed, but for this task, we're heading to the file format settings specifically. From the settings options, click on Office File Formats. This section controls the default format used when working with Office documents in OneDrive. In other words, this is where you can decide how your files are saved moving forward. Changing this setting can help avoid extra conversion steps later, especially if you have a preferred format you use all the time. Now select a format. You'll typically see available file format choices for your Office documents, and you can choose the one that best fits your needs. If you're not sure which one to pick, it's usually a good idea to choose the format that matches the version of Office you and your collaborators use most often. That way, sharing and editing files stays smooth and consistent. After you've made your selection, click on Save. This confirms the change and updates your OneDrive preference. Once saved, OneDrive will use that selected Office file format as your default going forward. And that's all there is to it. Changing the Office file format in OneDrive only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference in keeping your documents compatible and easier to manage. If you're updating settings for a team workflow or just personal convenience, this is a small adjustment that can save time later. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.